In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to any page on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. After that, click on Customize next to your active theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor where you can customize different parts of your website. At the top of the editor, click on the Page Selector drop-down and choose the page you want to edit. Now look toward the left sidebar and click Add Section. Shopify will show you different section options like image banners, featured collections, rich text, slideshows, testimonials, videos, and more. Choose the section you want to add to your page. Once the section is added, you can customize its content, images, text, buttons, colors, and layout directly from the sidebar settings. You can also drag and move sections up or down to arrange the page exactly how you want. If you want to add more sections, simply click Add Section again and repeat the process. After making all your changes, preview the page to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile view. Finally, click Save at the top right corner to publish your changes live on your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully added sections to a Shopify page and customized your store layout to better match your brand. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.